Sex work is a spectrum as far as who's involved. It can be someone who's in the porn industry, it could be someone who is working in a brothel, it could be someone who's a stripper, it could be someone who's like camming, it could be content creation, all sorts of different dynamics. It doesn't mean if you identify or know someone who identifies as a sex worker that you know what part they live in or work in or you know what they're connected to. And part of that is helpful because it breaks down stigma of individual categories. This is really important because stigma can really take a toll on people's lives. We're able to stand for each other's rights when we're getting solidarity. If you're in the industry, then join the movement, stand for your siblings in other parts of the industry, and they will stand for yours. If we're waiting for other people to give us rights, we'll be waiting forever. We really need to make sure we are forming together, even when it's difficult to come together and organize, and really make sure we are pushing legally cases of this is discriminatory, this is causing you harm, this is costing taxpayers money by not taking care of sex workers and the community, and really making sure that the changes that we want are the ones that are happening. It won't be given to us, we will have to take it.